Hey guys, welcome to Casablanca Hunter. So I'm here in this rental house in Florida. Yep, that's right, I'm back in Florida. And this house only has one bedroom here. And in the bedroom we got this Hampton Bay Minuet 2. I don't know what version this is made by. I mean, I know these are generally made by SMC, but I don't know about the versions with these blade brackets. I don't know if that applies to those ones as well. But this is a newer one with the Hampton Bay logo on the side of the motor housing instead of on the switch housing. So it's 2000s model. And I always like these blade brackets. Anyway, I'm gonna turn it on low now. It's got a motor hum to it. Vibrates quite a lot because, you know, that's just kind of how some older Hampton Bay fans are. SMC made ones. Air-cooled made Hampton Bay fans. Well, they sometimes have it. Kina fans made Hampton Bay fans do not have motor noise problems at all. They're pretty much silent. Here's without the light on. Which is what we'll be showing it on for most of the time. Here's medium speed. It's a pretty good fan for what it is, besides the humming sound. I think maybe being flush mounted is one reason, but of course the ceilings are very low, so it's not like it can't not be flush mounted. But it's a very nice fan. I really like this. It's pretty powerful. Anyway, turn the light now. Just a very nostalgic fan overall. Alright, thanks for watching this video and bye.